Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to install this beautiful unit from UNiceHair. Can we appreciate what this looks like right now? Because I'm in love with the way the unit is highlighted. But if you guys want to see how to install this unit and how I got this look, just keep on watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that
This is what the wig looked like once I had bleached the knots. So I was just showing you guys the lace. I had already put foundation on it, and this was the natural state of the wig once it was washed. I believe it's kind of like a body wave-ish texture in its natural state. So yeah, I'm just going in and cutting the lace. I thought the lace was really good on this unit. Like just looking at the lace before I even put it on, it was really thin, which was nice. And you could see it looked already like it was gonna blend into my skin, so that gives you high hopes when you're installing a wig. So I was kind of excited to see what it would look like. So I'm just cutting the lace, and I actually normally cut my lace after I've glued the wig on. But I saw on TikTok someone say why do we actually do that? So I was like, that's so true. Why do we cut it afterwards? Because sometimes when we reinstall our wigs, it looks nicer in a way. So I was like, you know what, let me cut the lace first and see how that is. But yes, I tried it out. It was alright. I don't know. I don't know. I just did it. It was cool, I guess. But yes, I went in with Ebon spray to glue on this unit. Super easy. I just went in with 2 layers. This is what it looks like when it's all stuck on. So it's all glued, and I only use Ebon spray today, so hopefully it's strong enough to do whatever style I choose to do. But I'm gonna lay it down now. I'm gonna lay it down. So I'm just doing the usual, just flattening each section of the wig just to make sure I get it really flat. Let's do a reveal. Yeah, I used to because I wanted to make sure it
You recently had a baby.
guys,
I sleep just fine.
so I'm just going with my wax stick and I'm just hot combing the wig back in a way, so I can get the hairs pushed back. And you really have to be careful with this part, because this is the part where I start burning my scalp, because I'm pretty much hot combing the lace at this point because of how close it is to my skin. Child, I've burned myself so many times doing this. Yeah, I'm just doing my edges now, and I'm just pulling out the hair that I want to use, and then I go in with Ebon spray to spray and try and melt the space in between the edges and the rest of the hair, basically. And then I dry that, then I lay that down. When I lay that down for a while, just to kind of melt it back into the skin, so it's fully dry. And then I just go in and do my edges. And I used this Ebon spray for my edges this day, which was, yeah, worked pretty well. So yeah, wasn't too mad at it. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to style my hair, and I just don't know. I'm thinking maybe I like curl this end and then have like 2 pigtails, which I never do, which I kind of feel like a child, but it's kind of cute. So I don't know, because I kind of want to do something different, because I always do like curls or something. Oh wait, maybe I do like this. Like these two like this. Or what else? Hold on, when I come back, when I have something, I'll come back. So then I changed my mind and I was like, okay, let me try do like a little cute, like, I don't know, would you call this a half up? But like tied at the back. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys can see it. And then not too long afterwards, I changed my mind. So it was actually cute. Like now that I'm looking back at it, I'm like, oh my god, that actually looked nice. I should have went with that, but I didn't. And I just decided to be basic and curl my hair. Just so it can lay flatter while I'm like curling it. I'm just going in with this frizzies and I'm just gonna curl my hair. And I didn't want to like, and I really wanted to layer the hair so I can curl it properly, but then I didn't want to layer it too much because when I wanted to wear it straight, I didn't want it to have too much layers in it. So I was like, I'm just gonna curl it and like not layer it and just, yeah. This is what it looks like once I had curled it. I was just brushing it to show you guys how cute it looks. It looks nice. This is what the hair looks like. I have curled it and it just looks so good. Just a little comb through. I'm literally in love with the hair. I love everything about it. I love the colour. I really like the peekaboo highlights. Like I've not had highlights like this, so this is something new and different. And I feel like it's really, really nice. Like, just depending on how you style the hair, you can see more of the highlights. So